WhatsApp is now paying, and is so amazing. You just be online doing what you want to do, being online, chatting other people, chatting your friends, like normal way you are doing it. Okay, you just be online, do your stuff, and you are being paid for just being online. Yes, it's sounding too good to be true, but it is true. This particular website has been launched, and it is online. People are cashing out from it, but I've not seen people talk about it because I know people don't really like sharing stuff that are new and they are cashing out from. That's why I'm bringing it to you guys. And if you are new to my YouTube channel and you're coming across my face, my pretty face for the first time, I am Goodness Akachi, and I talk more of how to make money online. And if you're watching me from TikTok, of course, is Vivi. And please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account and also here on YouTube. Guys, if it's your first time of coming across my channel, please, I'm begging you. Okay, I'm going to be waiting for you to subscribe. Thanks for the subscription, and thanks for liking my video. So I don't want to waste much of our time on this particular video, so I'm going to be teaching you step by step guide on how to register and also how to cash out from this platform. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah.
So guys, here is the app where you are going to be getting paid for just being online on WhatsApp. So this particular app is called GoShare. Go say GoShare platform will rent your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook account to perform advertising marketing tasks. During this period, you will receive a lot of messages on your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. You can ignore them and put your phone to silent. So this is all about this particular platform. So you get paid for everything. So we're going to go where it says me, so you can see my earnings. So this is my account balance right now, is 400 naira. Okay, so when I get to 1000, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw. Okay, so we are going to perform tax. So we're going to perform tax. You want to invite, let's tap on invite. You also get through inviting people. So you invite and you get people. So this particular place, you once you make invite and your invitee is always online, like person is always online, you are going to be gaining 400 naira every time it completes 24 hours of the person's time, and this is 48 hours depending on the time your invitee stays. An invitee stays like 72 hours, you're going to be earning 3000 naira. So this thing is available worldwide. Okay, you send the above referral link to your friends. If he successfully signs up and completes the task, you will get 3000 naira. So this is the how to earn in this particular platform for just being online on TikTok. So it says here log into your WhatsApp. So when you log into your WhatsApp and you bind your WhatsApp, you are going to be withdrawing your money. Okay, so all you have to do is create an account and follow the steps. You have to follow the steps in order for you to start earning. Bind your account with this particular website, and once you're online it will be reading for you. So we have gone back to the home, and so let's go to this place where it says state. Yeah, so this is how long I have been online. You see where it wrote WhatsApp income. And one thing guys, I didn't tell you guys this is you can also earn through your TikTok when you link your TikTok, your Facebook and Instagram account. So these places it will be reading for this how long I've stayed online for on WhatsApp. So it's 5 naira point. So this is how you are going to be earning through your WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, this is all about the video. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to always check other videos in order for you to start earning here. Thank you for watching.